here working on the chicken coop. Putting the soffit on. Got one piece up there. It's kind of a miserable day. Probably not gonna film or video this. I don't know. Might do some of it yet. That's just kind of doing it here. So. So I got all the soffit and the fascia on there now. I kept forgetting to record, so I just did it. Now I need to put corners on here, which I'm just gonna use like I'm thinking a 2x4. I'm not sure yet. I'll try 2x4 and just notch it out. I'll show you here. Notch it out so the tin will come in and sit behind that 2x4. So we're trying to be as cheap as possible, so that's why we're gonna make these out of wood, and we'll paint them white. Put red tin on there. So let's go find some 2x4s, and I'm gonna try that. I'm cutting this out of 45, and then all the way down, and I'll cut it at 8 feet, and then put the together to make the corner. So let's do that. Alright, I've got that cut. Just gonna show you. Then it'll go just like that. So that'll fit into the corner. And then what I'm gonna do is take and notch this out of there so the tin will sit into there. So I'm gonna do that. I'm not gonna record it. So there's the corner. It's got that in there for the tin to sit in here, and it goes right up into there like that. So I just got to make 3 more of them now, but I'm gonna do that a different day. I'm working on the shingles right now. So that'll be it for this video, I think. So yeah, that's it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Have a good day.